Huckleberries. The health benefits that actually matter. If you're looking for a berry that delivers more than just flavor, huckleberries deserve your attention. These small, dark berries are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and plant compounds that may support everything from heart health to brain function. And unlike trendy superfoods with impossible price tags, huckleberries have been valued for generations in North America for both nutrition and natural wellness. So let's get straight into what matters most. First, huckleberries are loaded with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins. Those are the pigments responsible for the deep blue and purple color. Antioxidants help protect your body from oxidative stress, which is basically cellular wear and tear linked to aging and chronic disease. That matters because oxidative stress is connected to inflammation, heart disease, diabetes, and cognitive decline. Foods rich in anthocyanins, including huckleberries and related berries like bilberries, have been studied for their potential to help reduce inflammation and support healthy blood vessels. Now here's where huckleberries become especially interesting. They may help support heart health in several ways at once. Research on similar wild berries suggests anthocyanins can help maintain healthy blood pressure, improve circulation, and support cholesterol balance. Some studies even suggest berry-rich diets may help improve the flexibility of blood vessels, which is important for long-term cardiovascular health. And unlike sugary snacks that spike your energy and crash it an hour later, huckleberries contain fiber and plant compounds that may help support healthier blood sugar regulation. That means steadier energy and potentially fewer dramatic insulin spikes after meals. Another major benefit is cognitive support. Scientists continue studying how berry compounds affect the brain, especially memory and aging. Early findings suggest antioxidant-rich berries may help protect brain cells from oxidative damage and support communication between neurons. In practical terms, that translates into possible benefits for focus, memory, and long-term brain health. And if you spend hours staring at screens every day, there's another reason to care. Compounds found in dark berries like huckleberries and bilberries have been studied for eye health and visual function. Some research suggests they may help support retinal health and reduce oxidative stress caused by blue light exposure. Let's talk nutrition for a second. Huckleberries are naturally low in calories but rich in vitamin C, fiber, and important plant nutrients. Vitamin C supports immune function and collagen production, while fiber supports digestion and gut health. That combination makes huckleberries one of the rare foods that feel indulgent while actually supporting overall wellness. And unlike heavily processed health foods, this is real food. No laboratory redesign required. There's also growing interest in how berries affect gut bacteria. Early studies on related berries suggest they may help encourage healthier gut microbiota, the ecosystem of bacteria living in your digestive system. That matters because gut health influences immune function, metabolism, inflammation, and even mood. Now, are huckleberries magic? No. No berry replaces sleep, movement, hydration, or an overall healthy diet. But when you consistently add nutrient-dense foods like huckleberries into your routine, the benefits can compound over time. And honestly, that's what sustainable health usually looks like. Small, repeatable habits that actually fit real life. So how do you use them? Fresh huckleberries are great on their own, but they also work well in smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, salads, and baked foods. Frozen versions still retain many nutrients, making them a practical year-round option. And if you find unsweetened dried huckleberries, they can be a solid alternative to candy or processed snacks. One thing to watch for: added sugar. A lot of commercial berry products are overloaded with syrups and sweeteners, which can erase many of the benefits you're trying to get in the first place. If possible, choose fresh, frozen, or minimally processed options. And before we wrap up, here's the bonus most people overlook. Wild berries like huckleberries often contain higher concentrations of protective plant compounds compared to heavily cultivated fruits. Why? Because plants growing in harsher natural environments tend to produce more protective phytochemicals for survival, and those same compounds may benefit human health too. That's part of why wild berries have attracted so much scientific interest in recent years. So the takeaway is simple. Huckleberries aren't just another trendy fruit. They combine antioxidant power, fiber, vitamins, and potentially beneficial plant compounds in a small package that supports multiple systems in the body at once: heart health, brain function, blood sugar balance, inflammation control, gut health, and eye support. And if you want one of the easiest upgrades you can make to your nutrition, adding more deeply colored berries to your diet is a strong place to start. Because sometimes the healthiest foods aren't the most complicated. They're just the ones nature already figured out first.